Good morning, everybody. Smurda Cowboy here. I thought I'd do this quick video here. The first part of the video of the ride I somehow deleted. I don't know what I did there. Who knows what I did there? So yeah. But on this video, we're leaving Jiffy Burger and headed back home. So I hope that you enjoy the ride. Got some talk and banter in there, but I want to put some music and stuff in, and if you're not into that or whatever, you may want to pass this video up. I'm trying the GoPro excuse me, on the helmet, see how it does. And I've got the Ion Pro right there. The Dragon Touch is there. I just want to see if I've got that shaking out of that Dragon Touch, but I don't think I'll ever get that shaking off this camera. But anywho, I just want to thank again. I want to thank Distinct Ogre, Corey, and I want to thank TriMark MC. That's my longtime friend and good buddy Mark, and my friend Steve-O Arsenault for accompanying me on my birthday ride. I was very proud of myself. I did really good. I didn't get overheated. So that was a good thing. And the only problems I had is when I got back home, I felt like I was sitting in the pool for 8 hours and coming out, and I was just so drained from that. So okay, we'll wrap up this video, and the next thing you'll see will be part 1 of Dave's 63rd birthday ride.
Hot? Hot? I'll scoot over here. You with me, Steve?
Yeah, I'm here, man.
Okay, cool.
Sorry.
Oh, that's all right.
I'm talking to the guy over here trying to pull out, and I'm blocking his thing, but that's all right.
Yeah, I was going to put that GoPro on the front of this chin mount and stuff, and it's just too... You got your GoPro going?
I got it going. I don't know how it's going, but it's going.
Well, I mean, you can
I don't
still
know if
use...
it's recording or not. We'll see. I've got the 9 going.
Oh, okay.
Or, well, it was. I think it's still going.
Now, if you need a battery for that 9, the 9 and 10, both of those take the same battery, but I've got some extra batteries too.
I got you. No, I've got one extra for it.
Okay. Gotta watch these guys.
Yeah, for sure.
You know, on one hand, I wish Sharon would ride with me, but on the other hand, no. You know, so.
Yeah, well, it'd be nice if she ride at least on rides that you and her would like to go on.
Yeah.
Have to be rides that we go on.
I mean, like the Go Wing dinner rides and stuff, usually it's in Murfreesboro, sometimes in Smyrna. They had a ride Thursday at Granny Fishy's or some shit like that in a war trace. No, I don't think so. Because we meet at Kmart parking lot in Murfreesboro at 5:30. Hang on. All right, good. And then ride from there, and then have to ride back in the dark and not know where I'm going? No, thanks.
Yeah.
I'll pass. Well, that was a good place. I liked it.
Yeah, it was really good, man. I really enjoyed that. The burger I had, mine wasn't the normal burger that you guys had.
Yeah.
It was tasty. It was really tasty. The only downfall about the place is the seating situation.
Yeah. I didn't even check in the front when you came in. I don't know if you could put tables together or what for a fairly large group, but yeah.
I think there was only like 2 tables up there.
Yeah.
But it sure was tasty.
Yes, it was. It's even tastier when it's free. Well, Mark owed me that. Well, he said when I had to go tow his 3-wheeler back to his house, and he went on and on, I'll owe you dinner or whatever stuff. So that's what friends do, man. Ain't no big deal. But that was my birthday burger anyway, so. Well, hell, at least he remembered my birthday. Brother Jim, he didn't call me or nothing for my birthday, and he finally called yesterday, wanted me to give him a wake-up call.
Wow, seriously?
Yeah, he forgot all about my birthday.
And I will get my my lid lock mounted so that you don't have to screw with locking mine in, all that shit from now on either. I'm sure that...
Say it again? Say it again now?
I said the lid lock that I bought.
Oh, yeah. That's not a real big deal. I think it's either a Torx or Allen screw that comes out.
Yeah, it's one screw, and you put in the set screw, and you're done.
Yeah.
I didn't have a chance to do it yesterday, man, because I was burning up.
Maybe something with this
GoPro mount on.
cooling system.
Is he stopping now?
Yeah.
He is stopping.
Is it showing hot?
Yeah.
It's got a coolant leak. It's leaking. It's blowing back on him.
Oh, jeez.
Said you guys ain't gotta wait for me if you don't want to.
Hey, Steve.
Yes, sir.
You got any water back there still?
Oh, yeah.
Let me have a bottle of water, would you, sir?
Bottle of water?
Yes, sir.
So when you stop, you set the parking brake?
You can or keep it in gear. It don't matter. I put the parking brake. Put it this way.
That is unloosened already.
Okay, thank you. It hadn't yet.
You know, his has got the little parking brake on it. I was just
Yeah.
wondering if we got off of it, forgot to set the brake, let it roll off a little bit. Yeah. I did that to my Jeep one time.
Did you?
Yeah. It was cold and snow and ice everywhere. I just left work and I just started the Jeep. And I was like, stopped it.
Recording.
Let's give her a shot. I was hoping you have your helmet on because when you were doing your thing on your rocker, I was going, Steve, you suck. You suck.
I missed it, damn it.
I know it. I was hoping you'd have, but I saw you did. And I go, well, shit. Steve, you suck. You suck. Just to,
I would have lost it.
oh, yeah, just to bust you up. Yeah, that'd be good.
Oh, man.
Oh, good to see you, buddy. We'll do this again. Let's see if we can't get it to either start earlier or go to somewhere cooler. You know, maybe like in the fall of the year when the temperature breaks. Got a big hole on that side, Steve.
Yeah, I see her.
Whoa! Did you see that?
I did.
Wow!
Yeah, man, you're driving wild and freaking crazy.
Wow, I've fishtailed a little bit.
Yeah, you did.
I feel good now. feel like I'm sport riding or something.
Oh, yeah.